तो क्या बोलना है मैंने? Okay. So, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss our first experiment from manufacturing technology subject. Okay. So, what is the title of our first experiment? That is the we have to set the lathe machine for the taper turning. Okay, but we are having the different types of taper turning methods are there. But out of that four taper turning method, today we are going to discuss first taper turning method, that is the swing the compound rest method. Okay, we have to prepare the taper turning with the help of the swing that compound rest. Okay, so before going to actually start the taper turning, first of all I will explain the basics of your lathe machine. Okay, and for guiding us today, we are having one another person, that is the Mr. Jadosri is also here. Okay, so now first of all I will explain the basics of your lathe machine. See, this is the picture of, you can see this is the live lathe machine is there, and see here the construction working of the lathe machine. See, this is the headstock of your lathe machine. Okay, what is meant by the headstock? In that headstock, you see here, it consists of all the driving mechanism. Okay, whatever driving mechanisms are required to rotate this check or to rotate that workpiece, that all driving mechanisms are present inside this headstock. Now see here, it consists of the different types of gearboxes there. Again, it consists of the pulley and belt motor. Okay, with the help of that pulley, belt and motor, we are transmitting the power to the check. Okay, now see here, this is the next part of your lathe machine. This is called as this is the spindle, and on that spindle we have mounted the check. Okay, now this is, I think, treasure check is there, and inside the check we are holding the cylindrical job. Okay, now see, this is the cylindrical job, and on that cylindrical job we want to perform the different types of operation. Now basically we are knowing that on that lathe machine we are performing the different types of operation, like we can perform the pacing operation, we can perform the turning operation, okay, then threading operation. Likewise, such type of operation we also prepared on this cylindrical job with the help of this lathe machine. Okay, now the next important part of your lathe machine is the this whole assembly, we can call it is the carriage. Okay, whatever you are looking this portion, we can call it is the carriage, and inside that carriage again it consists of the different types of components are there. Now see this portion. Okay, this portion, it is called as the tool post. Now what is the function of that tool post? With the help of the tool post we can hold the single point cutting tool. Now see, this is the single point cutting tool we have hold with the help of this tool post. Now again it consists of the compound rest. Okay, this is the compound rest, this is the slide. Again this portion is called as the carriage. Okay, now see here, this carriage we have mounted on this guideway. This portion is called as the guideway. Okay, and with the help of this guideway we can move this carriage in backward and forward direction. Means longitudinal movement we can easily go to that carriage with the help of this, and we will now see here, in this way we can move this carriage in longitudinal direction, and also we can move this cross slide in crosswise direction like this. Okay, the transfer direction also we can easily achieve. Okay, with the help of this transfer direction we can achieve, or we can give the depth of the cut. Okay, now see, this is the carriage. Now the next part of your lathe machine is it is called as the tailstock, and inside that tailstock there is one center is there, and that center we can call it is the dead center, and whatever centers are here it is called as the, whatever spindle, it is called as the live. Now with the help of this tailstock we can, or this tailstock we can use to hold the, suppose we are having very long job is there. Okay, to support that long job, in between that both the center we are using that tailstock. Okay, now see, again it consists of, this is the lead screw. Okay, with the help of that lead screw we can, or the function of that lead screw is come into picture during the thread cutting. Okay, now this is the basic function of all the part of your lathe machine. Now we are going to set our lathe machine for compound rest method for performing the taper turning operation. Now we want to perform the taper turning operation on the job. Okay, with the help of which method? We are using here compound rest method. Okay, with the help of swing that compound rest, means here we want to rotate this compound rest at the particular angle. Okay, now how that angle is calculated? We are knowing that we are having one formula. Okay, that is the alpha is equal to, okay, alpha is equal to tan inverse capital D of your job minus small d. Small d means whatever diameters are required on that taper. Okay, then divided by 2L. Then L is nothing but it is the length of job of taper. We can say with the help of that formula we can easily calculate the taper angle. That alpha we can easily find out with the help of this formula, and whatever angle we have got, okay, according to that angle, we have to rotate this compound rest. So I request to Jadhav sir, please rotate that compound rest at the particular angle. 0. So to see here, you are looking the scale here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. Okay. Now here, now see here in this manner, we can rotate this compound rest. Okay. कितीला सेट करता है सर इथं? ओके, ठीक आहे, 15 डिग्रीला. ओके, नाउ सर हॅज सेट दिस कंपाऊंड रेस्ट ऍट द 15 डिग्री. म्हणजे हा टेपरला अँगल आपण किती देणार आहे? 50 डिग्रीचा टेपर अँगल ना टेपर आपण जनरेट करणार आहे या ठिकाणी. ओके, सी हियर, दिस इज द कंपाऊंड रेस्ट वी आर रोटेटिंग हियर, and we are rotating that compound rest at the particular angle. See, this is the angles are here. Okay, now that angle is set here. Now, sir, you will be start the machine and that taper turning operation is going to start here. Okay, machine is start. Now see here. Here, you can go the depth of the cut. The taper is going to generating here. Okay. Okay, so please check whether that taper is generated or not here. I think that taper is generated here. Okay, so in this manner, okay, in this manner we can generate the taper, or in this manner we can produce the taper with the help of this compound rest method. Means in that compound rest method, just we have to swing that compound rest. Now see here, this is the compound rest, and that compound rest we want to just rotate at the particular angle. Okay, now see, this is the particular angles are there. Okay, and that angle we have to find with the help of the formula. And once we have got this taper angle, Okay, at that angle, just we have to rotate the compound rest. Okay, when we are rotating that compound rest, automatically your tool, it will be also set at the particular angle, and they will be remove the material in this manner. Okay, in this manner, it will remove the material, means it will generate the taper on your job. Okay, so thank you.